Hey loves, welcome or welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well as always. For today's video, we are going to be trying out some Born Pretty cat eye polishes. They were kind enough to send me these polishes, so I wanted to do a quick and easy cat eye design for you guys. So for this set, I'll be using these tips by Nails by Dev. These are the medium almond ones. And I always keep a little piece of paper in there because she does have some pretty affordable refill packs for just my nail size in particular. So I'm going to go ahead and size these out, making sure that they fit sidewall to sidewall. And as per usual, this is just going to be a pop-off set. So if you are new here, I'm not going to necessarily prep these nails for long-lasting nails. So I'll just be applying some peel off base coat to my nails, curing that for about 60 seconds, and then applying these Gel X tips with some base gel. It's hard to not do a pop-up set because I do my nails so frequently, but I do plan on doing a video here soon on like how I would normally prep my Gel X for a long lasting time, at least like 4 to 6 weeks. But yeah, so this one in particular is just going to be a pop-up set. So for our cat eye colors, I'll be using this really pretty blue. It's called Rhine Lake, and it is just so pretty. It's perfect for springtime, summertime. And I'm gonna do one coat of this, move it around with the magnet a little bit, and then cure it for about 60 seconds. And they were kind enough to send me different colors of the cat eye polishes, so I'm gonna be using two of them in this video. But I did make other sets for the other colors just because they're so pretty and I feel like they just needed their own time to shine. So I'm going to just use two for this video. So just keep an eye out for the next videos, or I think I'm making a short for one of them. So I do end up doing one coat of each of the colors. I'm just going to clean this off a little bit with some alcohol. But yeah, so I'm just going to do one coat of each of the colors, no particular reason. So if you do want to build your color up a little bit, of course, you can add as many layers as you would like. So I'm just taking my little magnet and I'm just trying to put most of it towards the middle of the nail because we are going to be adding a different color to this. And I'm going to flash cure each nail for about 20 to 30 seconds. That way, when I'm moving the magnet around on the other nails, it's not really affecting the nails that I've previously done. And then, of course, once I'm done with painting the first coat, I'll put them under the big lamp for about 60 seconds. For our second color, I'll be using this color Beauties, how appropriate for you all. So I'm just going to put one coat of this, and this is a much lighter cat eye. It has like a little hint of pink in it, and I just thought it was really pretty. It almost reminds me of like the sky, like after it rains. I don't know. It's just really pretty to me. So I'm just gonna kind of move this around, and it is gonna be, like I said, a more subtle color on top of the blue. But that's why I put it on top of the blue, that way you could actually see it. And I wanted to actually do a green color, and I do have a green cat eye, but it wasn't like a light green like I wanted it to be. So hopefully I can get a lighter green cat eye so I can do this like again because I thought the green would be really pretty. But I do love the way that this pink looks on top of the blue, so I'm just moving this around, and I wanted it to be more so like on the edge of the nail towards the top just because we did move all that blue to the middle of the nail. And I wanted it to be more like an accent color and not really fighting with the blue that we had already put on there. And of course, I'm going to be doing the exact same steps as I did previously, just flash curing these in between each of the nails and then curing for about 60 seconds. now that we have our colors down, I am going to top coat this because I'll be adding some cute little 3D art. And the 3D art is a non-white overlay, so I'm not going to have to worry about top coating that unless you really want to, but I never really do. So I'm going to just do a top coat and then add our cute little 3D designs. I wanted to make cute little raindrops on top of the nail, so I'm taking that 3D gel and I'm going to kind of dabble it onto my nail and then in an upward motion just kind of rotate it so that the gel stays in like a circle shape. But of course, if you want it like dripping off the nail, you can create that also. But I just wanted to add little bits of raindrops, almost like a dewy nail. So I'm just going to do this to all of the nails, and I do end up flash curing like every few nails just so that the gel stays in place. But I was actually surprised that for this 3D gel, it didn't really move around much at all. And this one I got from the TikTok shop, I believe. But of course, I will leave everything that I use in the description box. So I'm going to continue to do this and then cure this for about 60 seconds. we have our final look. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this cute little cat eye nail design, and let me know what you guys would like to see. I will leave everything that I used in the description box, and I will see you in the next one.